Yes. Oh, nice. Yeah. You sound like my beloved captain. I am Irma. And I'm gonna go on a hiking trip. That's a lot of time lapses. I don't know, updates. But for now, I could make like a time lapse of the road or something. That would be really boring. Ah, here's a cloud. Oh, yeah, much better. So, yeah. Get out of it. I made it. Frick Park. Frick Park. Yes, these are the founders. All the people. Welcome to Frick Park. Oh yeah, this is some other kid. He's in the same school as me, and yeah, that's cool. Yeah, Frick Park. Oh, awesome. Oh my god. It's right beside a road zone. It's not that natural. I took it. What? What? Alright. Nothing. Yeah. Alright. What's your name?
My name's Ian.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Alright. Okay.
Look, it says that the first paragraph.
The first word says frick. Hey, it's not a bad word if you make it one. Well, I guess I'll see you whenever we gonna go. And we made it to a really high up place. I feel the pressure now. Ugh. Good. So I just want to show you that awesome scene. Plus, what's it called? We made it to all the way on the top of this really tall mountain. Yeah, that's where that's silly. We're hiking on a mountain. Okay, now you know. All right, find this. See, you get a parking lot all the way down there, and you get a really long walkway. Look at that. Yeah. It's okay. Oh yeah, this place. Dogs in it, but it's okay. They already had their walks. Most of them are unleashed. Literally unleashed. Look at that. What? Too bad. Look at this awesome building. I think it has like a bathroom, lounge. What are you doing?
Come on, let's go.
No, you're not. It's not you. What is it? Alright. Walk around this tiny little upgrade. Yeah. Golden bobbers. Little bobbers. Boomer. There we go. This is called this big building. Yeah. This big building is called Frick Environmental Center. Yes. I know. It's so ugh. What? Wait, what? What? Have a normal tall door, okay? Then have a baby door. What is this for? Is this for dogs? What? What is this used for? So short. No tobacco. It's open! Why have you opened this door? Excite. Go through this. Go into here. Now there's too many people in here. And yeah, this is it. What is this over here? What are you doing here? Okay, get some pictures and stuff. I don't know, I'll try. Spine on the attack. What could be in there? Zoom in. Who are those? Wait, what? Oh, this is a reflection. Who are you? Oh my god! Look deep into nature. Okay, I'm gonna leave this. Huh. I don't know. Kind of looks dangerous. It's fall down. Yup. Oh no. Look at this. Look at this in New York. I think not. I've not been too many. I've been in too many hiking places in New York. Oh yeah, right. The floor, I feel like it's gonna fall, and I feel like I'm gonna die on this floor. It's scary. Right, so this is like a it's like way past where we were just before. Environmental offensive. So this is this. Yeah. The world. What? Huh? You? You make sounds? Said they make sounds. Squeeze them in. Oh. There you go. You just gotta hit it on your knee. This is very cool. What am I doing? There is no public access to this area. This is for you. Stop knocking. I'm putting my hand in front of you. Oh my god. Yeah, cool.
Okay, don't film them.
I'm not gonna film them. I'm just gonna film the ground. Yeah, it is. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, we're gonna die. Yeah, we're gonna die. Okay, I think you guys should get off. There's a maximum of 20 people. Yeah, it is. It does. It says on that piece of paper, maximum of 20 people. What is that? It died. Nope. I don't feel like this is sturdy at all. Unsturdy. Sturdy. Unsturdy. Is this another one? Hey! Almost recorded you. Let me get in. Oh, you can actually lock the door? Nice.
Yeah, it's locked.
Nice. That's cool. Just open it. I know what you're doing. I know what you're doing. Do it again. I dare you.
There's the people.
The people. I think I should get in from it is open. Thank you for opening the door. Woo! Fun! Yes. Wheels on this bus will go round and round. It is a bus. If I make it one. There's a bus for only one person. Woo. Makes it a smart car. And I'm back. Right now I'm like, wait, that's the trail all the way over there. Yep. They're all the way in that direction. But we just found this awesome stream. Look at this. It still feels so tranquil. I'll try doing even better. This is really cool. Very cool. Oh my god. This is really. It's in a good pathway. Let's get up. Alright. Agility. Finally, we made it. Civilized. Woo! Yeah, got it. Woo! And we have to follow the rest of the boring trail. Shaky camera footage. Ooh, God, this is hard. I remember this. I remember making it. I see civilization. That means we made it. Alright, that was about what? 2 hours? 2 hours worth of this. Yep. Dirt and soil and trees and leaves and rocks, bark and everything, and streams and every single thing you can imagine. Oh boy! Wow! I must have burned so many calories already. I'm very tired. Well, that is it for Biddle Trail. While the rest all behind, I won the game of walking. Still can't get any enough of Frick Park. Thank you guys for walking with me. Yeah, ugly shots. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Very hard. Oh god. Right. Thank you for watching. Oh. That was just Frick Park in Pittsburgh. Yeah. Well, this is the first video I made. So, okay, I had fun. Oh god. What are you doing? Oh, God! How are you? Well, that should be it for Frick Park. Have fun!